So IONA is a great example of some really exciting new technology that's coming to market that will help revolutionise UK manufacturing for the future. So I'm Andy Silcox, I'm the Research Director here at the AMRC Cymru. The AMRC Cymru is here to de-risk new manufacturing technologies for Welsh manufacturers. It's across all sectors, from the aerospace to the food and drink industry to the medical device industry. We provide an agnostic test bed for businesses to come and try new technologies. We can show automation in use on representative examples and just show the art of the possible, really. So the big trend has been across the manufacturing community for a number of years now, and that's Industry 4.0. In essence, it's around the use of data and digital manufacturing tools to make our production facilities more productive and more sustainable. The combination of industrial robots and sensors is a key trend moving forward and will help make those robots more intelligent, which will benefit the overall manufacturing system. Automation and simulation tools have been around for a number of years, but in the case of simulation in particular, it provides a snapshot of what's happening on the shop floor. What we want is a real-time representation of what is happening on a day-by-day, hour-by-hour basis. And so what we're looking to do is to bring data directly from the shop floor into those simulation models, so we've got a living, breathing digital twin of the production facility. IONA gives us the ability to capture data on the shop floor and feed it back into those simulation models in real time. So that gives us the power to be able to validate the production process as it's happening and not waiting for the production process to be finished and conducting a non-value added secondary inspection operation at the end of it. IONA is really interesting from the point of view of robot control. So robots are repeatable, but they're inaccurate. So that requires a lot of setup time before starting the task. IONA will allow us to validate the robot position and its performance, and it gives us greater flexibility in its use. Industrial robots have been around in our factories for 40 years or more, but their natural home has been in car plants or factories like it, where there is high volume and a large amount of repeatability. There seems to be a demand for greater customisation of product and for greater variety in the product range, and therefore that automation needs to be more flexible. IONA gives us the ability to change the function of the robots quickly and easily, and we believe that's more conducive to the future of manufacturing in the UK. The majority of defects in products aren't found until the end of the line. If we can find those defects at point of origin, then we can avoid a lot of wasted work and effort. What IONA allows us to do is monitor the process as it's happening and be able to then feed that back either to A, stop the process and restart, or feed back into the system so that corrective action can be taken as we go along. So IONA is a great example of some really exciting new technology that's coming to market that will help revolutionise UK manufacturing for the future. It gives us not only the ability to validate the production process as it's happening, but it also allows us to combine it with robotic technology to make those robots more intelligent and get better data from the shop floor.